I'm Dr. Manish Patel, board certified plastic and cosmetic surgeon from Goa, and I have got two clinics, one at Madgaon and another is at Panjim. Today we are going to talk about one very common procedure which we usually do at our clinic is tattoo removal by the lasers. Tattoo industry has grown up like anything and it is the fourth growing industry as per the new recent surveys said. We use Q-switch laser for this tattoo removal, and in this particular procedure a very high energy from the Q-switch in a very short period of time hits the tattoo, and when it hits the tattoo it breaks down that pigment into small particles, and that is absorbed by the body and then it is eliminated by the body. So this is the basic principle of laser treatment for a tattoo. Now you can have the tattoo by the very amateur tattoo artist or by a very professional. It can be 3D, it can be 4D, it can be 5D also, or embossed tattoo. So the tattoo removal by the lasers, and again you use tattoo artist uses different types of inks, colors and different procedures. So for a tattoo removal by the lasers, we have to find out what type of tattoo it is, how depth it is, what are the colors used, and depending upon that we use different parameters to get rid of this treatment tattoo. Now you may require multiple sittings. As I said, it depends upon the ink. Now the gap between this sittings will be 4 to 6 weeks depending upon how you healed up from the previous treatment. The treatment consists of, when we hit the laser, the pigment, it forms a little bit of a whitish appearance on the tattoo. It is basically due to gas form because of the laser energy hit the pigment and it has produced gas which is formed a white bubble on the tattoo. This usually causes little bit of itching. How painful it is, as we start with your treatment by applying some numbing skin, sometimes local injections, that you should not have the pain, and afterwards we cover it up with the steroid and antibiotic ointment to be applied and ask you to avoid the sun. You may require multiple sittings, as I mentioned before, depending upon your tattoo depth and ink. You may feel that when we hit with the laser, you may feel like that snap of a rubber band on your skin. That is the only pain which you will feel it. You will have a redness, you will have a swelling, you will have a itching after some days. That is a sign of a healing, and a scab formation. Most of the time it takes 10 or 20 minutes for us to do this procedure, and as I mentioned that you require multiple sittings, and sometimes our machines are very powerful, but we have to give laser energy in such a way that it should produce the minimal scarring over the tattoo sites. And usually the laser, this treatment works better on a black skin or a green skin, but the colored tattoos which are yellow and red are very difficult to treat and they take longer time when they are not that easily removable. Such tattoo removal is not a very painful procedure if you have taken an additional precaution of numbing the area and by giving local injections. So looking forward for your tattoo, if you do not want on your body, to get removed by Patel Cosmetic Surgery Center. Thank you.